Jacob, are you drumming on the bouncy ball? Ball. Ball. Jacob. Oh, careful. Jacob. Ooh. You're so cute, Jacob. Ball. 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 That's a ball. Big ball. Big ball. You're so cute. No, that's an... Nope. We shouldn't have that laying around. Excuse me, we've just been moving. That's a camera, or a candle. Uh-oh, here comes Epo. I hear her in the background. Epo! No. Hi, Eeps. Hi, Eeps. Say hello. Oh. Dish, dish. Jacob's unpacking for Mom. He's really just getting that candle I threw in there. What's in there, bees? The candle, yep. No, that's not for babies. We don't want you to have waxy teeth. It's hard to floss. Smile big. Ball? Play with the ball? He's just looking at the candle. He's mad I put it up there. Ball. 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 Yes, that's the ball. What's in the box? What's in the box? A bucket! Lots of B words today. Look, we can drum on the bucket. Oh. See? We can drum on the bucket. Let's drum. There's another bucket. And we can, look. See, Jacob thinks, what's the best way to do this? How can I get the best sound? He's like, forget it, just my hands. You like to drum, don't you, on anything you can? Because you're a drummer boy. Deep, 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 deep. I love you. Yeah. Drum, yeah. Almost. You almost did it. Yay! Yes! Take it off, put it back. You're so smart, Jacob. You're so smart. Take it off, put it back. Uh-huh. Now you have 3 drums. Up, only 2 now. Only 2 you make. Oops. See, it's upside down now. You gotta turn it around. You have to turn it around. He's like, let's try these 2. That one's too hard. You have to pick it up, put it upside down. Here, let Mama show you. Pick it up from this side and then flip it. Yep. So cute, Bruce. Yes, very good. Yes. Now put this one. Put this one back on there. Can you put them all 3 together? Look, take this one. Oops. Now take this one. Now you have 1 stack. 2 stacks. Excuse me for the mess. Okay, enough of this video. We're just doing the same old thing. Bucket. Bucket. You're stacking buckets. You're stacking buckets. See? Mama stacks. Now Jacob stacks. Yes. Unstack. Ball. There's the ball. What's that? Now stack the bucket. Yeah. Almost. No, not quite. Bucket, and you have cardboard. There's the bucket. 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 Let's stack the bucket. Give Mama the bucket. Mama will stack. Now baby stacks. Unstack. And you have the bucket in your hand. You have the bucket in your hand. Yeah, my name's Jacob, and I'm very smart. Stack the bucket. No? Yep! Yay! Yay! Unstack. And stack. Yeah. Unstack. And stack. Yes! Very good. Pinch the baby's toe. Pinch the baby's toe. Mama's a toe pincher. Ooh. 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 Pinch the baby's arm. And stack. Okay, no more. Say bye. Jacob. Say bye. Jacob. Say bye. He's busy stacking.